In today's video, I will walk you through how to find biggest crypto gainers on CoinMarketCap. To find the biggest cryptocurrency gainers on CoinMarketCap, start by opening CoinMarketCap in your web browser. Once you are on the page, move to the main navigation bar at the top. Hover over the Cryptocurrencies tab to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Gainers and Losers. After opening the Gainers and Losers page, the top gainers list will be displayed at the top of the page by default. You can now view the cryptocurrencies that have increased the most based on the current list shown. To check gainers across different time periods, use the available time filters. Select the 1-hour filter to view coins that have gained the most within the last hour. Select the 24-hour filter to view the biggest gainers over the past day. Use the 7-day filter to check the strongest performers over the past week. Select the 30-day filter to view the coins with the largest gains over the past month. To narrow down the list, use the market cap size filter. Select an option such as Top 100 or Top 500 to adjust the cryptocurrencies shown. After selecting your preferred market cap range, review the updated top gainers list to see the biggest cryptocurrency gainers within that selection. The Gainers and Losers page allows you to switch between different time periods and market cap ranges to find the cryptocurrencies that have increased the most based on your chosen filters. To check short-term price movements, use the shorter time filters like 1 hour or 24 hours. To review larger movements over a longer period, select the 7-day or 30-day filters. You can change the filters at any time to adjust the list and view different groups of cryptocurrencies. The biggest gainers will continue to appear at the top of the page based on the selected options. Review the list and use the available filters to find the cryptocurrency gainers you want to check. This is how you can find the biggest crypto gainers on CoinMarketCap using the Gainers and Losers feature. Thank you for watching.